This is the Karving King carving board system. So what's really nice about this carving board is it has a drip tray, which actually just slides right underneath here. And it also has these nice little rubber feet on the bottom as well to stop it from sliding as hard back and forth. But as you can see, there's actually spikes on here. So this feature allows you to put your meat directly on the spike, and it actually holds it. Look at that. As so, really simple to use. I'm just gonna take my knife, I'm just gonna carve. Nice cutlet, look at that. Nice and juicy, look at that, just comes right out. And look at this. The drippings are all going down the valleys and going directly into the tray.